First of all, I'll start by priming up my eyelids. I know my face is looking a bit dark because of the lighting. So this is actually the night time and I don't have the natural light too. So I'm sorry about the lighting, but next time I'll try to improve it. So first of all, what I'll do is I'll do the eyeshadows first. So for that, I'll prime up my eyelid. So I'll take this flat brush to prime up my eyelid. So this is a kind of a big plain fat brush. So I'll take on the concealer over this, and with the help of this I'll apply the product over my eyelids. I'll curve out my eyebrows and I'll try to blend in with this brush. Try to blend in all the product with this brush. So let's see how it blends in. It's really good to apply apply the product, but I don't think so it blends in really well, as this is not a blending brush too. So this applies the product well, but for blending it's like just painting your face and nothing. It's not buffing in the thing right into it. You can just understand it's not blending in. So that's a little bit of problem. While you are blending, then to set my eyes, I'll be using this kind of fluffy brush right here. So this is how it looks like. So I'll use this fluffy kind of little brush to just set my eyes so that my eyes doesn't crease. Add out the excess and I'll apply it over my eyes so that my eyes get like a nice smooth base. After that, with the help of a blending brush, as this palette doesn't contain any blending brush, I'll choose this shade right over here. Then I'll dust off the excess. If you don't have a blending brush, you can go with a big fat flat brush and like try it out like blending. It will give you a blended look, but not a blended look like this. So I'll blend it in my crease. I've dusted off the excess and then I'll put it in my crease and I'll just blend it like little bit above the crease. Just blend it nicely, give it a little bit time. You need to build the color like slowly one by one, so that you don't put more color onto your crease. Later on you regret. So I'll take more of the color and again put it onto my crease. Then I'll choose this shade right over here. I'll pick it up in my blending brush, then dab off the excess and apply it to my crease, just to my crease, and blend it nicely. Then first of all, what I'll do is I'll carve out a wing with this eyeliner brush, this little eyeliner brush. So I'll take little like black eyeliner, dip the brush into some black eyeliner, and then I'll just carve out a wing. So after I have carved out the wing, so what I'll do is I'll take an angled brush right here. Again, as you can see, again I'll dip this angled brush into the black eyeliner. So I'm using a gel eyeliner over here. If you prefer like liquid eyeliners, you can use liquid eyeliners even. So after I've dipped the brush into this, what I'll do is I'll cut my crease from right here and connect it to the line. Cut it from half and just connect it. Again, I'll take this brush and dip it into a blue eyeliner, and I'll carve out line again with this, the blue one, and I'll join it to the black line, carve it out from right here. Then just what I'll do is I'll just fill in my eyes with the same brush with this blue color, like half of the crease. If you have an eyeshadow, you can just go with the eyeshadow too, it won't matter, but I'm just using my gel eyeliner. Again, what I'll do is after doing completing my eyes, again I have a kind of black shimmery shade right over here, so I'll take a little bit on the blending brush and rest of the excess, and what I'll do is I'll pat it over this and I'll just try to blend it. I'll try to blend it on my crease. Then what I'll do is I'll take this, yeah, this light brown color and this brownish shade. I'll mix these both. I'll dust off excess and I'll blend it out so that nothing just looks very harsh. As these are eyeliners, these won't blend out that really well, but I just need to make it more smooth and like it's, easy peasy. I'll just fill in my eyebrows with this deeper shade right over here, this shade. So I'll just take a little bit on this brush. So I'll just fill in my eyebrows with this shade. Please ignore the background noise because like I cannot do anything about it. I have closed all my doors and windows, but I had to keep the fan going on, and also there is some music going on outside, so I'm just unable to, like, I'm just helpless. I offer spoolie like this one. I'll just comb out my eyebrows. Then with this shade right over here, I'll pick this tiny flat brush right here and I'll take this shade to highlight my inner corners. Then after my eyes are done, my eyes are not yet done, I'll also do my waterline, but before that I'll complete my face. So for that I am using this flat foundation brush, and I'll take the foundation of my hand and I'll apply it to my face, and let's see if it's working or not. So just try to blend it. First I'll just spread the thing on. I don't think it's doing any work. It's just like painting your face. It won't blend. It won't blend. Let's see if it works in patting motion. I'll just spread the foundation on with this. I know I'm looking very messed up right now, but everything will be on place. So after this, what I'll do is I'll set my face with this big fat powder brush. So I'll just take some loose powder onto this, and I'll just powder my face. Just powder my face nicely. I want to set everything in place so that anything doesn't budge off. So that's it. That little brush for setting my under eyes. So I'll take lots and loads of loose. So what I'll do is I'll take lots and lots of loose powder and I'll just place it under my eyes to set the concealer in place. I'll take a little more powder. Help of this contour brush, I'll contour, and I'll take this shade right over here to contour. So I'll take this on this brush, dab of the excess. I'll take this flat brush over here, and with the contour shade, what I'll do is I'll place it on my nose and this side. So after placing this, then after blending my nose contour, what I'll do is I'll just dust off all the excess powder of my face. Actually, this is the blush brush, but I use it to set my like under eyes, because this is really very small for applying blushes. But still, I'll try this and apply blushes for you guys. You can just see the pigmentation. This is too small for a blush. उसके बाद मैं ये वाला highlighter brush. So after this, I'll take this highlighter brush right here, this small little fan brush, and today I'll pick up a golden shade right here, this one. So I'll pick this shade up and let's highlight. Wow, ooh. Can you just see the glow? Ooh, wow. The glow is amazing. So then I'll take this shade right over here and I'll use it to smoke out my waterline. Then I'll again use this tiny little brush and I'll take the same golden highlighter on the palette and I'll highlight my inner corners. Then with this Maybelline mascara, I've done with my eyelashes, and I'll be putting on false lashes at the end. And now to set everything in space, I'll take a quick little shower in fixing spray. So I'll take this lip brush right over here and I'll apply the lipstick. I want to go a little bit bold with this, so I'm applying a bold lipstick with this blue eyes.